Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore an interesting question. When it comes to carbonization equipment, should you choose a horizontal furnace or a vertical stove? If you're new to biochar production, you might be wondering what really sets these two apart. Well, let me walk you through the key differences. First, let's talk about their structure and space requirements. Vertical carbonization furnaces, like chimneys, stand on the ground and are ideal for locations with limited floor space. On the other hand, the horizontal furnace stretches out like a long tunnel, ideal when you have plenty of ground area but need to consider height restrictions. When it comes to the feeding method, one important factor to consider is what kind of raw material you want to carbonize. If you're using a vertical carbonization furnace, you need to load the material from the top in batches, which means you're mostly limited to neatly cut and arranged wood. On the other hand, a horizontal carbonization furnace can handle a wide variety of biomass materials. It can be equipped with different devices for batch feeding or continuous operation, making it more convenient and versatile. Now, let's think about your production needs. Vertical furnaces are mostly used for small to medium-sized biochar production. If you require larger scale, more continuous production, a horizontal furnace is definitely the first choice. Next, the question everyone is most concerned about, the final product quality. Vertical stoves use simpler heating methods which can sometimes lead to uneven temperature distribution, but horizontal furnaces, with their superior heat and atmosphere control, consistently produce higher quality biochar. That's definitely something to consider if product quality is your top priority. For those of you who are environmentally conscious, listen to this: vertical stoves have basic airflow systems that might result in higher emissions. But horizontal furnaces come with advanced gas flow designs that make them significantly cleaner and more efficient. And of course, we can't forget about cost. If you're working with a tight budget, vertical stoves require lower initial investment. Although horizontal furnaces require a higher initial investment, they are often more economical in the long run due to their higher efficiency. So, which one is right for you? Well, that depends entirely on your specific situation, your production scale, available space, quality requirements, and of course, your budget. Feel free to contact us and tell us which stove best suits your needs. We'd love to understand your specific situation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content about biochar production equipment. See you in the next video.